there, right now, terms that have cropped up today that feel like we need to agree what they mean? I want to know if there's any terms or processes or ideas we've seen that we need to like have some sort of agreement on.
Water acidity is definitely a big factor.
The acidity, the water acidity. Okay.
Completely wrong.
What do you mean completely wrong?
Because we said it wasn't a factor.
Because we thought it wasn't a factor, but this is telling us it is?
Yep.
I mean, I think your data of one moment in time and making a decision based on that, it's a hard thing to do.
Wait, is the acidity like that I mean for pH?
pH? Do we know what pH is? Do we know what acidity is?
I sort of know what a pH is.
Okay. Are we, when you're talking about the water and the acidity, are we talking about ocean acidification?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to take this in two pieces. Is that fair? What's ocean acidification? I want to start there. Nope.
The acidic levels in the water are rising.
Okay, so water acidity. Can we add this to our dictionaries? Thank you. Is that what you said? The acidity is increasing or rising? Why? What do we know about what might be behind this?
Global warming. I don't know.
Acidity. Never mind.
Carbon dioxide?
What did it say in the article? Y'all had some like specific facts for me a second ago.
I completely forgot.
Are you not going to tell us, are you going to make us come up with
Yeah.
definition? I can't hear you give it to us.
What's the fun in that?
Bruh.
Boring. It's a common misconception that they pay me to give you answers. They do not.
Carbon dioxide can make the water more acidic.
Due to CO2? Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's not a definition of water acidity.
Ah,
Bola.
that's a fair point. Juniper says this is not a definition of acidity. Do we, and you asked a second ago, stop Googling, stop Googling.
I'm not. Come on.
Oh, okay, sorry. I thought you were Googling. I don't want you to Google. Juniper pointed out that that doesn't tell us what acidity is. Cindy asked, is acidity related to pH? Someone else said, I think I know what pH is.
Is pH different to acidity?
Is pH different than acidity, or is pH the same thing as acidity?
No, it's just the measurement.
Because pH is how it measures.
I think so.
Acidity levels.
They measure water. How is it that we have pH balances if it's, because we don't have acidity in our body?
We don't?
Well, we do, but it's not the same thing as pH.
That is right.
So we do have acidity in our bodies?
Yeah,
What makes something in our body acidic?
our stomach.
Our stomach's acidic?
I think it's our.
That's how we like digest our food, right?
Yeah, see?
But like, what does it mean that our stomach is acidic?
It means that it like burns.
know.
Doesn't it like burn something?
Burns, cleans. Do we know, like, from a like chemistry standpoint, what would make something acidic versus not acidic?
No.
Something that can break something down?
So if it's,
Let me ask you this. I'm gonna write some down what I'm hearing, but can we agree that these are like working definitions?
Yes.
Can we call these like draft definitions? Okay.
if it's,
Can clean, burn, break stuff down.
how are the oysters cleaning the water if oysters don't have acidity?
That's a really good question.
And why are the oysters dying from acidity?
That's another really good question. I feel like we're not gonna answer.
You're not answering any of my questions? I'm so sad.
So, I hear you.
Do you want me to write these down?
I do.
That sounds so weird.
It is frustrating to not have quick answers to our questions. I think you are not asking questions that are easy to answer, which is good. I think we have to do a little work to find these. I think we gotta like do some digging.